Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In last lecture we have discussed about atmospheric pollution, pollutants, its classification and its sources. Today we will discuss about major air pollutants, its sources and its effect. So start with the major air pollutants. So here we have 8 types of air pollutants is available. First one is carbon monoxide, second one is carbon dioxide, then oxide of nitrogen, then oxides of sulfur, then hydrocarbons, then photochemical oxidants, then particulate matters, and last one is ground level ozone. So first one is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is very toxic and very harmful to human. So let us explain. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless and tasteless gas. Chemically inert under normal conditions of temperature and pressure, it is not soluble in water. So carbon dioxide is colorless, odorless and tasteless gas, and it is not soluble in water. At normal concentration less than 0.1 ppm, it is not harmful, but if its concentration exceeds 0.1 ppm in atmosphere, it seriously affects the human metabolism. Now its sources are sources of carbon monoxide. Sources are natural processes like volcanic eruption, gas production, transportation. Due to transportation, 65% of CO in air, solid waste disposal, forest fire, and last one is industrial process. So these are the sources of carbon monoxide. Now, effect of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide has strong affinity with hemoglobin and it combines with blood hemoglobin to form carboxyhemoglobin, which reduce the oxygen carrying capacity of blood. So here carbon monoxide is combined with hemoglobin, and the form they are made carboxyhemoglobin. These are create the oxygen carrying capacity. These are reduced oxygen carrying capacity of blood, so that it can reduce vision, causes headache. It affects the nervous system and imparts laziness. It may cause coma and even death. So these are the effect of carbon monoxide. The second one is carbon dioxide, CO2. Carbon dioxide is ideally not considered as an air pollutant if its presence does not exceed the concentration ideally present in atmosphere. Sources: fossil fuel combustion, jet plane use O2 and release CO2, respiration process, and forest fire. These all are resources of carbon monoxide. Now its effect: the carbon dioxide rise in temperature of atmosphere. CO2 is less dangerous than CO and cause nausea, headache, disturb atmospheric stability, and thus play an important role in climatic changes in atmosphere. So these are the effect of carbon dioxide. Now third one is oxide of nitrogen. So oxide of nitrogen, here we have among 6 different oxide of nitrogen. First one is NO, NO2, N2O, N2O3, N2O4, N2O5. These all are the oxide of nitrogen. But nitric acid NO and nitrogen oxide NO2 are very important pollutants. Among these 6 different oxide of nitrogen, there are 2 is very important pollutants. First one is nitric acid and second one is nitrogen oxide. So its sources: fuel combustion in automobiles and industries, forest fire, bacterial decomposition of organic matter. So these are the sources of oxide of nitrogen. So effect of these pollutants are like CO, nitric oxide NO can also combine with hemoglobin and reduce the oxygen carrying capacity of blood. NO2 is more toxic than NO and may affect lungs and causes bronchitis. NO2 absorb light and thus reduce the visibility. So these are the effect of oxide of nitrogen. Then oxide of sulfur, SOx. Sulfur oxide are called SOx. Among the 6 oxide of sulfur SO, SO2, SO3, SO4, S2O3, S2O7. Sulfur dioxide SO2 and sulfur trioxide SO3 are very important pollution. So among there are 6 types of oxide of sulfur, and sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide is very important pollutants. Now its sources. The sources of oxide of sulfur is natural processes like volcanic eruption contribute to 67% of SOx pollution. The other sources are burning of fossil fuel, emissions from vehicle, emissions from industries and solid waste disposal. Now its effect, it causes cardiac disease, eye irritation, throat troubles. Oxides of sulfur attacks building materials, especially marbles and limestone. So oxide of sulfur are attacking on marble and limestone, and they damage marble and limestone. They are damaged limestone and marbles. Then hydrocarbons, HP. The main hydrocarbons which may be gaseous air pollutants are methane, CH4, ethane and ethylene. These 3 are the main hydrocarbons. Now its source of hydrocarbons is incomplete combustion of fuels, emissions from vehicles, refineries and industries, forest fire and agricultural burning. These all are the sources of hydrocarbon. Now the effect of hydrocarbon is unburned hydrocarbons with oxide of nitrogen in the presence of sunlight form photochemical smoke which can have adverse effect on humans and plants. Ethylene may inhibit the growth of plant. Some hydrocarbons may cause cancer. So these are the effect of hydrocarbons. Then photochemical oxidants. The major photochemical oxidant is ozone, O3. Ozone is produced in the upper atmosphere by solar radiation. Small concentration of this gas diffuse downwards and becomes the major concern in air pollution. And its sources is automobile exhaust. Now the effect of photochemical accident is causes irritation of eye, nose and throat, headache in men, can damage to plant, also affect the material like rubber, plants, textile, fiber. So these are the effect of photochemical oxidant. Then particulate matters. Particulate matters are finely divided airborne, solid and liquid particles which remain very long time in air in suspension. Example, dust, smoke, fog, mist, etc. Now the sources of particulate matter are volcanic eruptions, dust storm, spraying of salt from ocean, fly ash, smoke from vehicles, mining and agricultural burning. These all are create particulate matter in atmosphere very long time in suspension. So now the effect of particulate matter is fly ash and soot causes respiratory diseases. Metal dust also causes respiratory diseases. Mist and fog reduce visibility. Fly ash reduces pH balance and cause damage plants. Ground level ozone. Ground level ozone is the ozone present in the Earth's lower atmosphere. It is produced by a complex chemical reaction when nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide and organic compound react in the presence of sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, these two pollutants, nitrogen oxide and carbon monoxide, organic compound react each other and make one complex chemical reaction. These chemicals are produced from cars, trucks, electric power plants, and industrial processes. These all are the sources of ground level ozone. The major health effects are irritation of the respiratory system, causes throat irritation and an uncomfortable in chest. So these are the effect of ground level ozone. Okay, thank you.